friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm very excited to share an unboxing of two items I picked up from the Gucci Adidas collaboration. Now let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Tarina and I post videos once a week, typically around luxury, shopping, collections, unboxings, lifestyle, and fashion. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to join me here on YouTube. I'm still a very small creator here in the world of YouTube. So if you could please hit that big red subscribe button, like this video, I would truly, truly appreciate it. I am also going to do another giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers, hopefully soon. So stay tuned. I would also love to be friends on Instagram. My handle is @Tarina Monty. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the items that I picked up from the Gucci Adidas collaboration. So there's been a lot of cool collaborations that have come out recently. Most recently, I unboxed my Fendi Versace item. This collection is the Gucci Adidas. So I picked up two pieces. The first is a ready-to-wear and the second is in this really cute little box. It is, I don't want to give it away. So this is here. I will say that, so today is Monday, June 6th. So it's the evening of Monday, June 6th. I was very blessed. I have an amazing essay at Gucci. Hi Lee. And so I was able to pre-order from the Gucci Adidas collection a few weeks ago back in May. Tomorrow, Tuesday, June 7th, the understanding that I am aware of is that globally this Gucci Adidas collection will launch. So if you're interested in getting your hands on some Gucci Adidas pieces, the items are live that you can scroll on their website. So go ahead and check it out. So I was able to go to the store. I have this really huge bag. It is way bigger than me. It's huge. So both items came in this bag. My essay said that she's still waiting on the Adidas packaging. So the shopping bag, I wasn't able to get one yet, but she'll send me one when it's available. This one doesn't yet come in the Adidas garment bag. Again, I'm waiting on that packaging to come through. So it's just the standard Gucci garment bag. Sorry, all the brands are a little different. Okay, I'm so excited. Any guesses? It is bright royal blue and I love it. It's stunning. Okay, so let's unpack this first piece. So this is actually a bomber jacket. This is actually from the men's line. So it's so stunning. I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice, but it's this blue, shiny, electric blue color in this really awesome print. You can see the GGs as well as the Adidas flower logo. It comes with the very iconic Adidas stripes down the sides of the sleeves. And what's also really, really cool is if you look really closely to the zipper pull, it actually it's a metal and it is embossed. It says Gucci and then it has the Adidas flower logo. So it's super stunning. On the inside, it does have this red lining. The tag says Gucci with that Adidas logo. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. It does come with two pockets here from the inside. So this piece, so gorgeous. My essay said that their boutique only got two, so I was very lucky. I was able to get one of the two when I was trying it on today. There were a few people eyeing it. I wanted to try it on, but unfortunately, on Unfortunately for them. Fortunately for me, I was able to pick it up. It's so cute. So very lucky. Again, this is from the men's line. This size is a 48. So I'll include a photo here of me trying it on and styling it and what it kind of looks like, but very, very excited to add this piece to my collection. That's the first item. The second item that I picked up from the Gucci Adidas collaboration is in this little box. So cute. So let's unbox it here. Take off the ribbon. So you can see the packaging, it's in this like mustard yellow with a maroon. It has the standard iconic Adidas 3 stripes, the flower logo. I keep saying flower, I hope it's a flower, and Gucci. So it comes in this box. Let's unbox it together. Okay, it's a drawer pull. So cute. Oh, on the inside, I'm not sure if you can tell, but on the inside of the top, you can see that iconic kind of print that they went with for this collaboration. Hope it's showing up on the camera. Okay, so that's the first. Here it is in this little dust bag. It does come with some care packages, and then on the bottom, it does also come with that gorgeous like print. Okay, now let's get into it. So in this mustard yellow pouch, to reveal, I think it's all, okay, here we go. Any guesses, any guesses? Dun, 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 dun. So cute. So it's actually the wallet on chain. You can see it's brand new. It hasn't even been touched. I'll show you guys the chain. White, black. It's cool because you get the Gucci as well as the Adidas logo there. So let's unpack this. So this is the wallet on chain. Sorry, my hair. It's in the white with the black. It does come with this like button detail, snap closure button detail. And then on the inside, you can see it comes with 4 credit card slots here. A front pocket. So let's get this out. So the front pocket, you can fit a phone. Let me grab my phone. And I think this is the iPhone 11 Pro. It's not the Max version. So that fits nicely there. That's my phone. And then you also get a zipper compartment behind that. So compartment for your phone, another zipper compartment. You can put some cash, some other things that are hidden, and then 4 credit card slots. So my phone's still in there. Snap closure. And it's super cute. You can wear it crossbody with this gold chain, very similar to the Chanel wallet on chain. I am 5'3", so it does come a little bit longer. I'll include a photo of me trying it on in the boutique without shortening it. So it's a little long for me. So what my little trick that I do is I like to crisscross it. So if you just go like this and just twist it once around here, then that will help shorten it for you. So when you just do that, it'll make it a little more reasonable. And then you can either wear it on your shoulder, or I even wore it crossbody, and it comes up in like a kind of a cute, stylish crossbody. Again, I will insert a photo of what that looks like, but I think just the style I like right now is just kind of a shorter crossbody, kind of that street style. So those are the 2 pieces that I picked up from the Gucci Adidas collaboration. I also was able to pre-order some pieces from the Balenciaga Adidas collection. So one of them I just got in the mail and I will be uploading probably in a few days or so. So stay tuned if you're interested in like limited edition collections, or how to get your hands on things that are limited, how I go through that process. But let me know what you think from this and my jacket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you can score and get the pieces that you are hoping for from this Gucci Adidas collection. Again, it launches officially tomorrow, Tuesday, June 7th. So check out the website. You can kind of creep and see what's available. Talk to your SA. You can go into the boutique starting tomorrow and purchase those limited pieces. All right, I thank you for joining me. I wish you all a beautiful day ahead, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.